Since so many of you let us know the bus driver's hat is blue, we're gonna let everyone out of jail. Hooray, we're out of jail. We have some more good news. As of today, fidget spinners are allowed for everyone. Hooray! We get our fidget spinners back. Hey everyone, hop on! We're having a fidget spinner party at the Bat Cave. Alright everyone, here we go. Hold on tight. Whoa, that is so cool. I wish I could go. Sorry Timmy, but we need to get back to school. Whoa, cool. Let's check out all these fidget spinners. We have a ninja fidget spinner, a camouflage army fidget spinner, Spider-Man fidget spinner, Iron Man fidget spinner, and a Captain America fidget spinner. What about Robin? He needs a fidget spinner. No problem, Batman. I already have one. That is so cool. Well, now that we all have one, let's get spinning. Check it out. We're all spinning. It's a new trick. Check it out. Check out my new trick. Disappearing act. Why did the lights just go out? Robin, why isn't your fidget spinner lighting up? I don't know, Batman. I have no idea what's going on. Batman? Is that you? Whoa! Whoever did that got us good. Hey, where did our fidget spinners go? They're all gone. It looks like they've all been stolen.
Teaming up worked great. We totally surprised them. Now look at all the fidget spinners we have.
That's a lot of fidget spinners.
You stay away from those, Hulk.
Wait a second. These aren't your fidget spinners, are they?
No, they're not. We stole them.
You stole them from my friends? That makes Hulk angry. Hulk smash! Make another move and you'll what? I'm so angry, you're no match for me. And neither are you. Neither is this van. Smash! Now I'll kindly take these back to my friends. I have your missing fidget spinners. Thanks, Hulk. Let me guess, the Joker was behind this. He was, but I smashed all of them. Since you are so nice to help us, we wanted to get you your very own fidget spinner. Wow, thank you. I can't wait to try it. This is so much fun. Check this out. Hulk sure catches on fast. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. And before you go, I have a question for you. How many fidget spinners did we have spinning at once? Let us know in the comment section below. It has to be some kind of action figure world record.